So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make from $5 to $500 every single month. This is monthly earning. It depends on how you work on this project or you work on this task. That is how you'll be able to be making this money. You can see $5, 10, 25, 50, 100, 200 and 500, which is from $5 to $500. So just keep on watching. Let me show you how. So on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make money with this website that I'm going to show you on the screen now. But what you just need to do for me is to like this video, share, and leave me a comment about what you think at the end of this video. But so as you can see guys on the screen here, this is the website which is called Future Point. So Future Point is an application that gives you reward. It rewards you for each task that you complete, and for each task you complete you can earn from $5 to $500. It depends on the task that you want to complete. So just keep on watching. I will show you how you can cash out at the end of this video. But the first thing you need to do is to understand how this website works. Let me explain it in a simple way. This website will pay you to complete a very particular task, and you are going to earn reward in return. The reward might be by points, either by cash. So that is how they work. So the first thing you need to do is to register with this program. What you need to do is to enter your email, your password, and you are good to go. Once you have entered all this information, you verify your account, then Future Point is going to send you an email, and through that your email, you are going to click on it and complete the task, and you'll be in a chance of making money while completing tasks. So what I need to do now is to log into my own account and show you around this website, which is called Future Point, and different ways that you can use it to make money online. And what is still good about this website, which is called Future Point, is that you can make this money from your smartphone. A laptop, you don't have a computer, you can do it from your smartphone. Only what is required is just your internet connection, and you'll be in a chance of making money with this strategy. So what I need to do now is to log into my own account. And as you can see, it's good. So I have just logged into my own account. So once you log in, you are going to find your account like this. You might find your own account zero. You might not find any amount or any balance on your own account. What you just need to do is to fill up your profile, enter your information telling Future Point about you, so that they will understand the type of task or service that you can complete. But if they are asking for a referral code when you want to sign up on this program, you can use my referral code, which is Money70. This is my referral code, and I'll still leave the link of this application or this website, which is called Future Point, in the description. Like I said, what is good is that you can use this application from your smartphone or from your computer. So once I click on Earn here, you can see that if you follow them on Instagram and TikTok, you can be in a chance of earning free Future Point coin. And if you scroll down here, you can see that you can download this application, this website. This survey of 8-minute survey, you are going to earn 64 cents. This survey of 14-minute survey, you are going to earn 31 cents. This survey of like a few minutes that you can do from your smartphone, you can earn 49 cents, 46 cents. So it's not a lot of money you can make with this application, but you can use it to earn good amount of money online. Like this game here, which is called Warpath. This game, which is called Warpath, if you play this game to a particular level, you are going to earn this money. So these are the requirements. This is what they want you to do to be able to be in a chance of making money with this game. So all you just need to do is to follow the procedure or the requirement of what they are asking you, and you are going to be in a chance of making this $409 or $410 that you can see here if you want to start using this game here and follow the procedure of what they are requesting from you. And if we come down here again, you can see this Mafia City War of Underworld. So you can click on it too, and once I click on it, it's going to pop this up showing us the process or what they are requesting for us to do to make this $320 US. So that is how it works. It's very simple, guys. You just need to follow the procedure, and if you complete it, you will be in a chance of making this money that they are showing you on the screen here. So you can see surveys of 12 minutes, 14 cents, 17 cents, 20 cents, 43 cents, 54 cents. There's not a lot of money you can make from the surveys. Where you can make a lot of money is the games. So you can see these games here is going to pay you $167. This one is going to pay you 180. This platform, they are going to pay you like $81. If you follow the procedure of what they're requesting from you and you complete the task, you are going to get paid. So when you look at it here, you will see that a lot of company are here that is willing to pay you money to complete all these tasks. So I don't know what you are waiting for. All you just need to do is to go try them out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Let us say I click on in progress here. In progress, you will see the offers that you have complete, that is in progress, that the publisher have not verified. So once they have verified it, the point will be added into your balance and you can withdraw the money whenever you want. So when I click on apps here, you will see the apps that you can download if you want. Just click on apps here. You can see all these are apps that you can download and earn like from $2 to $20 to $26 for each task that you complete. So you can see that you can make from up to $31 from each of this application that you can see here, just by installing them, completing a very simple task, and you will be in a chance of making money. You can see Uber request a ride is going to pay you 84 cents for you to just download this application and follow the process. So when I click on this Uber request ride, you can see download app, open the app and make your first ride. New user only. So that is what they are requesting from you to do, and if you do it, you will get paid by doing that. Let me see, you want to request an Uber ride, you can do that and you are going to earn this 84 cents that you can see here. That is how it works, guys. That is what you can do to make this money. So when I click on games here, you will see that you can make money by downloading all these applications. You can see that they are going to pay you a lot of money for you to just download them and complete the procedure or process of how you or them can make money and you can make money. So your part is to complete the task and their part is to receive the task that you have completed and you are going to get paid. So that is it. When I click on offers here, you see other offers. On these offers, you can see is a survey site. If I click on it, they have a lot of survey that you can earn up to $63 if you enter into this and $63. If I click on that, it's going to open a task and I'm going to follow the procedure of how I can complete all those tasks and start making money with them. So that is how it works, guys. It's very simple, just for you to follow the process and know what you need to do to start using this application, which is called Future Point, to make real money. When I click on surveys here at the bottom, it's going to show us surveys that is available that we can complete and make money from. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. So let us move to how you can receive your money. When I click on redeem here, it's going to bring out this redeem gift card that they have available. If you are living in US, you can see that they have PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Apple, Starbucks, Walmart, PlayStation, Xbox Live, Nintendo, Legend of Legend, Target, and a lot of other things that you'll find if you are living in other country. So let us say, for example, I click here and we scroll down. Let us say, for example, we look for other country like France, and I click on France here. It's going to show us the gift card that is available in France. Let us say Zalando, PayPal. You can see they have Amazon, Visa, Google Play Store, Google Play, and Steam. So if you use PayPal or Visa, you receive the money cash. But if you use like Amazon, Zalando, Google Play, and Steam, you are going to use them to like do all those screaming stuff or buy stuff online. So it just depends on how you want to redeem your money. But me, I prefer using PayPal or Visa because I will receive the money in cash and use it in the market or buy things online or do whatsoever I want to use it for. So it just depends on how you want to redeem your money. So when I click on PayPal here, it's going to open up when you have reached a minimum amount left, let us say like $5, which you need to reach to be able to cash out. Once you reach $5, you cash out the money into your PayPal account. And as you can see, it's showing at the bottom here, not enough cash, which means I don't have that amount of money to be able to withdraw my cash. So I need to have at least $3.80 to be able to cash out money on this platform, which is called Future Point. So that is one thing that I want to show you. Let me show you proof that I have made money. I think in some years ago when I was using this application, when I click on my profile here, I will click on let us say we click on like account history. I think there you are going to find my earnings. Let us see. So I click on account. Let us click on activities. So when I click on activities here, it have opened this page that you can see here. All I just need to do, I need to click on rewards. So as you can see, I have made $5, $5, $5, $5. These are 6 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago. You know, that is when I used this application. That was a long time ago. So I just say, let me still look at this application and see if they are still alive and if they are still working. And I found out that they are still working very well. So you have seen the proof that I have received money from this platform, which is called Future Point. You can go try it out. What I just want you to do for me, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this application, which is called Future Point, and I want to really hear from you. I will say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, share this video, and don't forget to watch this video that will pop up right now. It will show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate program. I will see you on my next upcoming video. Peace.